Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. We've got a BMW 2 Series 2016. We've got it in for a speedometer cluster change. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what it was, what it is before we change it. So you see that the analog dials just there, just there. You see you got obviously your speed, your revs, your fuel, stuff like that. Gives you a battery. It's really weird that these BMWs don't actually give you engine temperature, which is really weird. Okay, all right. So that's it before we change it, what it looks like in the car. There you go, guys. Completely changed. A whole different level. Look at that. That's been changed from the old one. That's what you saw the video before the change, guys, to now. Unbelievable. It just brings it up to this day and age, to this century, you know. Completely different, guys. You don't lose your facilities, you don't lose your cruise, you don't lose any of it. Obviously the fuel stays the same, everything stays the same. And if you actually look, if you remember on your original BMW one, you didn't actually have engine temperature. If you look in this corner now, you actually have engine temperature. It's mad. Guys, if you need yours changed, remember we do it on a 2 Series, a 3 Series, a 5 Series. Give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Or come and see us in person. We're based in Ilford, in Essex, near Ganshill Roundabout. Literally 2 seconds from Ganshill Roundabout, guys. Just give us a shout, or email us at info@carsoundsecurity, and let's get yours changed and bring it up to this century. Thanks for watching, guys.